Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever looked at the incredible diversity of life on Earth and wondered how we know it's all connected? Fossils tell part of the story, but some of the most powerful evidence for evolution is invisible. It's hidden deep inside our cells, in the very molecules that make us alive. Today, we're going to explore how biochemistry provides undeniable proof of common descent. Let's start with the most fundamental point, the universal genetic code. Think of DNA as the instruction manual for building and running an organism. What's incredible is that virtually every living thing, from a person to a plant to a tiny bacterium, reads this manual using the same language. The genetic code that translates DNA information into proteins is the same across all life. This shared language is powerful evidence that we all inherited it from a common ancestor. It's like finding that every computer in the world, regardless of the brand, runs the exact same basic operating system. The simplest explanation is that they all came from a single source. Next, let's look at our shared metabolic pathways. These are the series of chemical reactions that keep us alive. A great example is glycolysis, the process of breaking down sugar to get energy. You do it. A fish does it. A yeast cell in bread does it. The fact that this complex, multi-step process is so similar across vastly different species indicates we inherited this essential engine from an ancestor we all share. It's far more likely we all inherited a working system than that we all independently invented the exact same one. We can also compare specific proteins. A protein called cytochrome C is essential for energy production in many species. By comparing the sequence of amino acids that make up this protein, we can see evolutionary relationships in action. The cytochrome C in a human is almost identical to a chimpanzee's, with only one difference. Compare a human's to a horse's, and you'll find about 12 differences. Compare it to a yeast's, and there are over 40. This pattern creates a molecular clock. The more differences in the protein, the more time has passed since those two species shared a common ancestor. This molecular data perfectly aligns with the evolutionary tree built from fossils. It's evolution written at the molecular level. So, from a shared genetic language to the same cellular machinery and comparable protein structures, biochemistry shows us that all life is related. We are all branches on the same magnificent tree of life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this shed some light on the amazing molecular evidence for evolution. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, please consider liking, subscribing, or supporting the channel through the links below. Your support makes it possible to create more content like this. See you in the next video.